Introducing the Hoover ONEPWR Windtunnel Emerge Pet Cordless Lightweight Stick Vacuum, an innovative cleaning solution designed to revolutionize your household chores. Boasting a powerful yet quiet operation with its HushTone system, this vacuum ensures efficient cleaning without disturbing the peace. Equipped with advanced DustVault Technology, it effectively captures 99.4% of dust and fine particles, maintaining suction power throughout. Transitions seamlessly between different floor types with the All-Terrain Nozzle, while the versatile handheld mode tackles above-floor cleaning effortlessly. With long-lasting battery power and convenient accessories, this stick vacuum promises to simplify your cleaning routine with exceptional performance and ease of use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Performance and quiet operation. This cordless stick vacuum boasts a HushTone system, ensuring powerful cleaning without the usual noise associated with vacuuming. This feature is a significant plus, especially for those who prefer a quieter cleaning experience without compromising on performance. Number 2. Efficient dust capture. Equipped with DustVault Technology, this cordless stick vacuum employs a dual cyclonic separation system that impressively captures and contains 99.4% of dust and fine particles. The absence of suction loss ensures consistent cleaning efficiency, making it suitable for various cleaning tasks. Number 3. Versatile all-terrain nozzle. Transitioning between different floor types is seamless with the all-terrain nozzle. Its two brush rolls work in tandem to effectively pick up anything from fine dust to larger debris, ensuring thorough cleaning regardless of surface. Number 4. Above-floor cleaning abilities. This cordless stick vacuum doesn't limit itself to floors. It offers above-floor cleaning versatility as well. Easily convert it into a handheld vacuum to tackle hard-to-reach areas, upholstery, and stairs with specialized tools included in the package. Number 5. Long-lasting battery power. Powered by the ONEPWR battery system, the 4.0 amp-hour battery provides up to 45 minutes of continuous runtime. This fade-free power ensures that you can tackle any cleaning job without interruption, wherever it may be. Number 6. Convenient features. This cordless stick vacuum comes with a range of convenient features. It is self-standing, lightweight, and cordless, providing ease of use and maneuverability. Additionally, the inclusion of a headlight enhances visibility while cleaning, especially in dimly lit areas. Number 7. Included accessories. With the purchase of this vacuum, you receive several handy accessories, including the ONEPWR charger, motorized pet tool, powered extension hose, and 2-in-1 dusting and crevice tool. These accessories further enhance its cleaning capabilities and versatility. Number 8. User-friendly controls. This cordless stick vacuum is equipped with push-button controls and touch-based control methods, ensuring ease of operation for users of all skill levels. Number 9. Portability and indoor usage. With its lightweight design, 2 wheels, and cordless nature, this cordless stick vacuum is highly portable and suitable for indoor use. Whether cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, or upholstery, it provides efficient cleaning performance with minimal hassle. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 9.5 inches length by 10.8 inches width by 44.25 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Hoover ONEPWR Windtunnel Emerge Pet Cordless Lightweight Stick Vacuum stands as a testament to innovation and functionality in the realm of household cleaning appliances. With its blend of powerful performance, quiet operation, and versatile features, it offers a solution tailored to meet the demands of modern lifestyles. From its efficient dust capture technology to its long-lasting battery power and user-friendly design, this vacuum delivers on its promise of simplifying cleaning tasks while maintaining excellence in results. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional vacuuming and embrace the convenience and effectiveness of this stick vacuum. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.